another day. My name's Azalea, and you're watching my YouTube channel, WayCrunchy, this old shack series. So, going upstairs, I have, going up these stairs, primed all that I can reach. That's all that I can't reach from hanging over. So, I'm gonna put a paintbrush on a stick or something and get that. And now I have done about all I can in this hall, and I'm gonna step into this bathroom. So what I'm doing at this point is kind of going through room by room, actually from the very beginning, just like sweeping over it, getting everything to a certain level and going back over it. And so each room improves level by level by level, okay? So right now, I'm doing some stuff up here in this bathroom to get it to a next level. So, y'all remember I discovered that cool old linoleum out in the hallway. Unfortunately, that is not the case here in the bathroom. So I am taking up the peel and stick here in the bathroom, and there's nothing under here. This is nothing. This is like particle board and Lord knows asbestos or glue or some crap. So, this bathroom floor definitely has to be done with something new on top of it before we move in. So, something else cool that I love about this bathroom is some of these tiles. So, at some point, someone put this ugly texturized maroon stuff on top of these tiles. Y'all know I want that aqua. So I'm just getting started with just a little scrape, scrape, scrape. This was such a terrible idea, whoever did this. People weren't thinking clear. They didn't have their designing hats on with this house. They were probably just, I don't know what they were doing. All right, let's see. A little something like this. Thread. Oh my Lord. I don't even need a crowbar. Oh wow. The layers of wallpaper in here. Oh my God. Oh my God, there's ships under here. Ah! Y'all, I'm looking forward to showing John what I've been up to over here. I love showing him a wow moment. God, you really can't see, but God, I really want to try and save this wall. Maybe do an art project. I gotta give y'all a close up. So one of the layers has this really beautiful like sailboat wallpaper. There's 3 layers of wallpaper at least on here, but the sailboat layer is amazing. And if I could, you know, peel away with my scraper and then take some paint and like fill it in and then do a clear coat on top because this is a bathroom and it's going to get steamy. Oh my God. This is so exciting. Y'all, get a load of this. Oh my gosh. Where's my scraper? This is amazing. if I could get down to sailboat layer. If I could get down to sailboat layer. Now they done had some damage up in here where the plaster's gone, and they done put some patch up. Alright, well, this medicine cabinet needs to come down so I can get this paneling down. Just need a flathead. This is some cheap old medicine cabinet. As y'all may remember, I got a nice antique medicine cabinet out the dumpster. So that one will go in its place. That's been up for a minute. Dang, they even had wallpaper up on top of this at one point. Look at this seashell wallpaper. So hello 80s, hello 90s, maybe 70s, I think 80s. Seashells, man. It's a wallpaper loving house. So I think after I get this down, I need to just do some cleanup. Just clean this place. You know, stop and do a good clean, bag up garbage. Sweet. Get all that stuff out of your visual plane so you can think good again. Oh, that one was a dusty one. Should have had my mask on. It's just plaster. Oh well. There we go. Nice and easy. There we go. Nice and easy. Now. Last piece. Lord. Ooh, a lighthouse. Lighthouse. I swear, if I can do something artistic with this old nautical wallpaper, I will. I don't know, but maybe. What I want to be doing right now is scraping wallpaper and doing art wall stuff. But what I should be doing, because I only have a certain amount of sunlight, is loading up garbage, sweeping the floor. Alright, we're swept, we're sort of clean, and I've given the walls and the ceiling and the floors and everything my ceremonial spritzing of bleach water. That feels good. I'm gonna just touch that with fresh eyes when I come back tomorrow, probably.